Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete album in OneDrive on computer. So how to delete album in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. To delete albums, first go to the album menu, move the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are many menu options. Tap Menu Photos. Here it will appear like this. Tap the Albums menu here. Here the Albums menu display. Enter the album to be deleted. Well, here it has entered my album. To delete this album, just move the cursor up here. Here tap icon delete. And this will appear. Tap icon delete again. Well, here you can see my album has been successfully deleted. So that's it, tutorial how to delete album in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.